A very good morning, children. Welcome to Hindi online class. Before I give an introduction about what we are going to see in this class, just check out the video and then come back to the class.
Term used for Indian Harvest Festival, which literally means to boil in the Tamil language. It is a 4-day Hindu festival held throughout South India, which falls in the month of Thai. This festival is also considered as the traditional Hindu system of worshipping the sun god. Pongal also happens to be the name of a dish made up of sweetened rice that is boiled with lentils. The first day of Pongal is called Bhogi and is celebrated in honor of Lord Indra. The rituals of Bhogi includes tossing useless items of the household into a bonfire made up of cow dung cakes and wood. The second day is celebrated as Thai Pongal. On this day, the devotees traditionally worship the Hindu sun god, and the women offer sweet rice dishes which are cooked in earthen pots on open fires. The third day is known as Mattu Ponga, where cows and cattle are venerated. Kanum Pongal is the fourth day and the last day of Pongal, which has its roots in ancient Brahmanical tradition.
Hope you all got an idea about which lesson we are going to discuss today. Yes, so open book page number 27. Children, today we are going to start with a new lesson named called as Pongal. Hope you all have enjoyed your Pongal festival, right? Yes, you all have enjoyed with your parents, right? Enjoying your holidays with the Pongal, right? Now let's see what is there in this lesson, right? Let's see what is going on here. Lakshmi. Here Lakshmi is a girl. What she says? Nani Nani, क्या पोंगल आने वाली है? So now this Lakshmi is asking Nani Nani. What do you mean by Nani Nani? Nani is nothing but your mother's mother or grandmother, right? So she's asking to her Nani, क्या पोंगल आने वाली है? क्या पोंगल आने वाली है means whether the pongal is going to come. That is what Lakshmi is asking to the grandmother. Next, नानी, हाँ बेटा, तई महीने की पहली तारीख को पोंगल मनाएंगे. Now this Nani is explaining to Lakshmi that yes dear, in Tai Mahine. Which is the Tai Mahine? Tai is nothing but it is a Tamil month. You all came across, right? So which month we are celebrating Pongal? Yes, we are celebrating Pongal in the month of Tai. Tai is nothing but Tamil month. Okay. So in January 14. So after January 14, the Tai Mahine means the Tamil month starts. Okay. The first day of Tai is celebrated as Pongal. Right? So Tai महीने की पहली तारीख means the first day of Tai महीने we are celebrating Pongal. Then Lakshmi, हम पोंगल क्यों मनाते हैं नानी? Now Lakshmi is asking, why do we celebrate this Pongal? नानी, धान की फसल अच्छी हुई है. Now Nani is saying or the grandmother is saying, धान की फसल means paddy crop. धान की फसल means paddy. Okay, paddy फसल means crop. अच्छी हुई है means it is grown very nicely. So हम अपनी खुशी प्रकट करने के लिए पोंगल मनाते हैं. So now what this grandmother is saying, this year the paddy crop is grown very nicely. So for showing the happiness. So खुशी प्रकट means happiness. खुशी means happiness. Prakat means expressing. Prakat means expressing. So, to express the happiness, we are celebrating the Pongal. So, हम अपनी खुशी, so our happiness expressing, that is what we celebrate Pongal, right? Then, Lakshmi. नानी माँ कहती है पोंगल 4 दिन मनाते हैं. So, Lakshmi is saying, so before that I want to ask you children, how many days do we celebrate a Pongal festival? Yes, we celebrate Pongal festival for 4 days, right? So same way, this Lakshmi, she is telling that Nani माँ कहती है. So the mother is saying Pongal 4 दिन बनाते हैं. So 4 means 4 days. So we celebrate Pongal for how many days? 4 days. How many days you all are getting holidays? Yes, so 4 days. So the Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. नानी, हाँ बेटा, पोंगल 4 दिन मनाते हैं. Now this granny is saying, yes dear, the Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. Yes, और पोंगल के चारों दिनों के अलग अलग नाम हैं. Now this Nani is saying that for this Pongal festival, which is celebrated for 4 days, it has a different names. You all know the names of the Pongal which is been celebrated for the 4 days. Can you tell me children, what are the names of the Pongal which is been celebrated in a different days? Can you tell me? Yes, the first one is, yes, okay, let's see what are all the names of the festival. So पहले दिन, so the first day को बोगी पोंगल. So the first day, which what do we celebrate? Children, underline this. So the first day, what do we celebrate? बोगी पोंगल. दूसरे दिन को सूर्य पोंगल. So the second day. Okay, so the January 14 we celebrating बोगी पोंगल. On दूसरे दिन, that is second day, on Jan 15th we celebrate Surya Pongal. Then तीसरे दिन means third day, we are celebrating Mattu Pongal. So it is Mattu Pongal in Hindi, but in Tamil how do we call it as? Mattu Pongal, right? So underline this also children. तथा चौथे दिन कन्या पोंगल मनाई जाती है. So fourth day, what do we celebrate? Kanya Pongal, right? So the first day we are celebrating Bogi Pongal, second day Surya Pongal, तीसरे दिन Matu Pongal, and fourth day we are celebrating Kanya Pongal, right? Next, Lakshmi. Nani, Bogi Pongal को क्या करते हैं? So now this Lakshmi is asking, on Bogi Pongal what do we do? So Bogi Pongal को क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हैं means what we do on Bogi Pongal. नानी, बोगी के दिन लोग घर की सफाई करते हैं. Now this granny is saying on Bogi. So the day when we celebrate Bogi, on that particular day we all clean our house. Usually the old things we clean our house, and the old things and all we collect it and we burn it, right? So why do we do this? Anyone knows why do we do this? Yes, actually there is a big story behind it. Let's see what is happening in this lesson. I'll be explaining that also. पुरानी और बेकार चीजों को इकट्ठा करके शाम के समय उनकी होली जलाते हैं. The same thing what I said. पुरानी और बेकार चीजों को, पुरानी और बेकार चीजों को means old and the waste material. Okay, पुरानी means old, बेकार means waste, and चीजों means materials. Okay, so the old waste materials we collected. Ikatta means कलेक्ट करके शाम के समय, शाम मीन्स इवनिंग, at that time what do we do? We burn, होली जलाते हैं means we collect everything at one place and finally we burn it, right? So चीजों को जलाते हुए लड़के छोटे छोटे डोल पीटते रहते हैं. Now what she is saying, चीजों को जलाते समय, so when this the materials or the waste things which is been burned, that time small children, लड़के छोटे छोटे डोल पीटते हैं. डोल means a drums, they play drums. पीटते means nothing but they are playing the drums. इस डोल को तमिल में बोगी कोट्टू कहते हैं. So what she is saying is डोल को, so डोल means this drum is called as bogi kottu. So actually it is kottu, in Hindi it is kottu. Okay, so it is called as bogi kottu. Please underline children, इस डोल को तमिल में बोगी कोट्टू कहते हैं. So you all understood why do we celebrate bogi on now January 14, that is the previous day of Thai 1, right? ये डोल इसी दिन के लिए मनाए जाते हैं. Now what she is saying, this drum is made for this particular day itself. Okay, only for celebrating bogi this kind of drum is been made. Okay children, so the next day we celebrate Surya Pongal, that we'll see in the next class.